IDEA 2020 is a smart electronic letterbox. This is a simple device which helps in identifying any letter coming to our address. It works in a manner as whereas a letter is dropped in the letterbox, the LEDs connected to the output start glowing and also the buzzer rings, indicating the presence of a new letter in a box. This model also uses a Bluetooth model, namely HC05, and an app named BT Terminal to give a message on the app whenever the path between the LED and the LDR is broken, which will only happen when we receive a new letter. In order to achieve this, we have to use Arduino. The circuit is very cost effective, so it's useful also. In order to make an electronic letterbox, I plan to implement using a normal circuit which consists of an LDR, LEDs, buzzer and a bunch of jumper wires for the normal circuit implementation. In this circuit, one of the LEDs would constantly glow over LDR, but in case a letter is passed between these two components, it would trigger the other circuit and the LDR connected at the output would glow, and the buzzer would ring indicating the presence of the letter. Now, to get a message on the phone, use a Bluetooth module in the form of HC05, which can be used both in form of masters as well as slave. We can connect the previous circuit and the Bluetooth module to the Arduino Uno and upload some coding into it to make the circuit work. On the phone, we use a special app named BT Terminal. Later, when the letter is dropped, we also get a phone on the message on the phone along with the LED and the buzzer doing the respective jobs. The components required, the software required for this is Arduino for writing code, Android app, BT Terminal. Hardware required is buzzer, LED, LDR, 220 and 10 kilo resistor, jumper wires, breadboard, Bluetooth module HC05, Arduino coding, USB to serial connector, ultrasonic sensor. Buzzer is a device that makes a buzzing or a beep noise. There are several kinds of buzzers. There is piezoelectric buzzer, which is a flat or piece of piezoelectric metal with two electrodes. This type of buzzer requires a kind of oscillator. An LDR is a light dependent resistor or a photoresistor. It is a device whose resistivity is a function of the incident electromagnetic radiation. Hence, they are light sensitive devices. They are also called as photoconductors, photokinetic cells, or simply photocells. They are made up of semiconductor materials having high resistance. There are many different symbols used to indicate an LDR. One of them most commonly is working with an LDR. Its light dependent resistor works on the principle of photoconductivity. Photoconductivity is an optical phenomenon in which the material conductivity is increased when the light is absorbed by the material. When a light falls, that is when a photon falls on a device, the electrons in the valence band of the semiconductor material are excited to the conduction band. These photons in their incident light should have energy greater than the band gap of the semiconductor material to make the electrons jump from the valence to the conduction band. The Bluetooth module HC05 is master-slave module. By the default factory setting is slave. The role of the module can be configured at commands. At slave modules cannot initiate a connection to another Bluetooth device, but can accept connection. Master module can initiate a connection to other devices. The user can only use it simply for serial project port replacement to establish connection between MCU and PCS. The Arduino, the power system is connected to the power jack. The power supply should be between 9 volt to 15 volt. Two chips are voltage regulators that are produced 5 volt. The VN is directly connected to the power supply. Ultrasonic sensor, which is optional. We can use also ultrasonic sensors for the instead of an LDR. The AMT Mega 3280. This is the main controller. The code you write for Arduino is executed by this controller and it's directly connected by the IO pins. The controller is programmed via the TX RX pins connected to the USB to the serial connector that contains Bootland code. It can also be used to program directly via ISP pins. Other than the hardware, the Arduino comes with a custom bootloader loaded into the AVR, making it loading sketches easier. The Arduino IDE also provides a bunch of whole software libraries so that you don't have to write much low-level code to turn registers on and off. The cost of this product, if this product is very cheap, it costs almost around 1000 rupees, so it's very effective also. To design it, we have to connect our buzzer to the board and LDR to LED to the board, a 220 resistor to the board, LDR to the board, a 10K resistor to the board from LDR to one leg. The wire connect to the ground, the same wire is connected to the board. The wire connected to the buzzer short leg, and there is same wire attached to the GND on the board. The wire attached to the LED short leg, then the same wire connected to the GND on the board. There is an Arduino code also. So the conclusion is, finally we are able to make our very own electronic letterbox, which would give us a notification when a letter is put inside the box. It must cross the path between the LED and the LDR. The notification would be in the form of output LED glowing. Buzzer buzzing, we would also receive this notification on the mobile phone app. This idea of mine is, if incorporated in real world, would help people get rid of the horror of checking the letterbox regularly or missing out important and urgent letters if you don't check it regularly. I have taken references from E+ Community, VIT University. We have and certain websites from Arduino tutorials, from Quora. We can take references from there and learn from there and make our idea more effective.